everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, today we're going to be cooking burgers. Not just any burger, lamb burgers. Not just lamb burgers, minted lamb burgers. With these very simple ingredients that we have here. Fresh lamb mince. We've got these lovely burger buns for them to go in. Salt and pepper for seasoning. And this lovely fresh mint from my garden.
Now we can start by picking all the leaves off of the mint. It's a bit tedious, I know, but it leaves the hard stalks behind. And then we can very finely chop up all the mint leaves. That's it, nice and small. Then we put the mince into a bowl, the lamb mince, in with the mint, and give this a really good mix together, get it all incorporated. And of course we need some seasoning at this point as well. Some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. In that goes. And there we go, good mix. Now I like to weigh each burger individually, and if they're about 4 ounces or more, that's fine. But this way you can get each one an equal size. And then I go into my little burger press, give that a real good old squish down. Doesn't that do a great job? Then into a pan with a little drop of cooking oil, not too much, and in with the first burger, followed by the second. Get off. And the third and final one. Let these cook away and then give them a flip over. That's it, get the other side done. Get a nice little bit of brown on them. Meanwhile, I like to just heat the burger buns up a little bit, get a little bit of a crust on like this, and then we can plate up. Delicious. They look good, doesn't it, eh? Served up with a little bit of salad, not too much.
So there you have it, minted lamb burgers. Just to give it a go now. Yeah, loads of flavour. Lamb obviously, but that mint in there just gives it a little edge. It tastes so much better. Anyway, you know what I'm going to say now. Please like, subscribe and share, and hope you've enjoyed this video. And remember, by subscribing it helps my channel, and yeah, I could do more videos, so it'd be great to get some help. And yeah, thanks again. See you guys again next time. Bye.